Hello people, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get Flipside features on your Instagram. You just need to open your Instagram and you can see that my phone here and my Instagram right now there is no Flipside button here. So basically if you cannot find it, you just need to tap into this tree on the top side and go into the privacy and settings, and then you just need to scroll all the way down, and there will be more info and support. Just tap into the help section. In this help section you just need to go click report the problem, and then you just need to go click without report problem without shaking. And now you just need to go read the information. Would you like to include complete logs and diagnostic, and then just need to exclude it all of this, so it means that you don't not include it, and continue. Now you just need to type here, I have no Flipside feature on my account. Right after you got it, you just need to go tap into the send button, and then the Instagram will receive your message and processing your report. And basically if you already wait like approximately 5 days or 3 to 5 days, you just need to go tap, like slide down your screen, and there will be like a Flipside symbols there. And now you already got the Flipside account. And how to go back, you just need to swap it back again. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.